One of my favorite things about this Miriam's earthenware pan is the heat retention, making it perfect for stir fry. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy, delicious, and saucy veggie stir fry right in your Miriam's earthenware pan. Here's what you'll need. Since I've already seasoned my pan and cooked 5 water-based recipes in it, it's fully non-stick. No need for chemicals like Teflon that can chip or react with the food and leach into it, contaminating it. I'm going to start by warming my pan over low heat. After a few minutes, I add the oil followed by the vegetables and turn the heat to medium-low. I love to develop flavors, so I'm going to add salt and pepper here. Once the vegetables have cooked for 3 minutes, stir them, then make the sauce by combining the remaining ingredients in a small bowl. Because the pan retains heat so well, I can actually turn off the flame at this point. Then add in my sauce and allow the hot pan to finish cooking the stir fry. Once the sauce has thickened, serve the stir fry with brown rice and garnish with furikake seasoning. Interested in how to use this clay pot as a Dutch oven? Like, share, and follow to find out.